Any website we can create and can upload by the XML sitemap on your website. XML sitemap main purpose of indexing pages count purpose. The count given by the Google Webmaster Tool. Without XML sitemap, we can't check the page count and page index process. XML sitemap main reason is called page count, page index count. Both information given by the XML sitemap. Out of 500, how many pages index? The information given by the XML sitemap. Out of 500 pages, how many pages will be indexed? The count given by the XML sitemap. That XML sitemap, how to create, how to upload by the website cpanel. So any XML cpanel, the purpose of page count. xml-sitemaps.com. This website you can use by the up to 500 will be free. After 500, you can add by manually or you can add the developer by using coding option. xml-sitemaps.com. Any sitemap generator website up to 500 links will be free. You can generate. More than 500, you not generate by XML sitemap. Select your website, paste it, select your options, click by always. This is a frequency based on your options. Start. They count your websites pages. These are all your count your pages. So your website, how many pages are there? Every page will be count. Without XML sitemap, any old files will be your website. They will be indexed automatically on your page. The index will remove by XML sitemap. This is a page will be refresh your page count give by information. Always refresh. Select it. You can download your file. Download. After download this file, select your website cpanel. Go to file manager. The option call is public_HTML. Upload your file. Select your file. Select your option and upload it. After uploading, you can check how will be checked. That is called your website.com/sitemap.xml. Uploading will be XML sitemap, but checking will be .com/sitemap.xml. See, this is your font. You're missing for slash. So what are the update will be given? The update based on your posting your content. See this 29 here. This will be very important. Any updating XML sitemap, remove the previous one, update the new one. This static, dynamic, previous and new all will be mixed and uploaded by the XML sitemap. Previous and new. Why? Because pre will be support only for up to 500. Pre will be support up to 500. So old one, new one, club and mix it by your XML site. So this is called create and updating for XML sitemap on your website cpanel for indexing page count purpose.